So guys, the same plug, you can open the transfer case and the differential, and the plug is over here. So this one take Matic G, but I talked to the dealer, he said Matic G and Matic S is the same fluid. So we'll open the top one and we'll open the mid one. Even the fluid look clean, but 30,000 miles. It's supposed to be serviced the fluid. This will keep it always in good shape. Especially if this is a racing car. We're using for racing, so I want everything to stay in good condition before we do the whole service. Okay, and close it back. Close this one back, and we're gonna add the fluid differential. We're gonna use this one too for the transfer case. This for transmission and transfer case. Okay guys, you see, this is the pump. So the fluid to the top one, and you add it, and you keep until you drop. Start dropping, and you close it back, and you're done. Easy job. Okay guys, transfer case almost done. See, start drip like that. I mean it's good, it's full. All you have to do, just close the bag, and we're done. That's the wrench. Okay, done. Okay, so we're done for this one now. Oh.